Hey folks, it's Miss Natsuga here to give you the directions for your next project, which is the Food Choices Project. So this is part of our Nutrition and Physical Activity unit. So this project is titled Making Healthy Food Choices Anywhere. And the learning target, the skill for this project is I will be able to select nutritious food options from whatever choices are available to me. So now that you are armed with these two resources, My Plate and nutrition labels, the goal is that no matter what is available to you or what stores are around or whatever you have at the time, you'll be able to put together a balanced meal that gives you all the nutrients you need. And you'll be able to know what's going into your body and how nutritious it actually is. So to get to the assignment, you're going to go to your Google Classroom page for your class, and you're going to click on the classwork tab. And under our Nutrition and Physical Activity unit, there will be this assignment called Food Choices Project. So you're going to click on that, and then you're going to open up this slideshow right here. So when you open up the assignment slideshow, this is the first slide you're going to see. Again, the title is Making Healthy Food Choices Anywhere, and there's a space here to put your name or you and your partner's name. So first, let's take a look at this note right here. You may choose to work with one partner. If you do, share this slideshow so you can both write on it. Both partners should submit the same one. Okay, so you can choose to work alone or you can choose to work with a partner from your class. But if you work with a partner, you need to use this share button right here. So if you are working with a partner, one person should open the slideshow, click the share button, type in their partner's email address. So the partner will have to give them their school email address and click done. Then the partner can go in their email and open this slideshow, and both partners can type on the same slideshow. So let's go on to slide 2, which is the directions slide. So I'll read the directions slide to you first. Directions. You're walking home from school and you pass a Walgreens store. You have a set amount of money and you want to make some healthy choices. What are you going to get? Use this website to pick out what you would buy. You can see the items, prices, and nutrition information. And then we have the Walgreens grocery website here. Add pictures of all your items to your slides. Then fill in the total cost and explain why you picked them. When you're finished, you can decorate your slideshow. Okay? So I'm going to demonstrate to you how to actually do those things. So we're imagining we're walking home from school. We have a certain amount of money and we have just a Walgreens. That's the only place that we can go to get some snacks or a meal. And so we want to make some healthy choices. So the first slide here is you have $5, make a healthy snack. And then it has space for pictures, and then it has total cost and why you picked these items. Slide 4 is exactly the same, except you have $10, make a balanced meal. So we're going to make a snack and then we're going to make a meal. Okay. So let's start with slide 3. You have $5, make a healthy snack. So you need to first open up the Walgreens website. Oops. There we go. Now, when you open that Walgreens grocery website, it's going to look like this. And you have the categories on the left over here. So remember, you're imagining you have $5 and you're trying to put together a healthy snack. So you can start in whatever category you want. You could start in snacks, in pantry, in refrigerated, in health foods, wherever you want to start. I'm just going to start with snacks. And I'm just going to pick out an item to show you guys as an example for how to put it in the slideshow. So let's say I think I want to start with some trail mix. So I'm going to click this snack and trail mix section. And let's see, I'm going to pick this. I'm remembering that I have $5 to create my healthy snack. So I'm going to pick this fruit and nut trail mix. That looks yummy to me. So I'm going to click on that one. And what you'll see here is that I can get all the information I need for my slide. I can copy the picture and put it in my slide. I can view the nutrition label right here. and I can see all the stuff we learned about, all the more of this things like fiber and added fiber and protein and vitamins. I can also look for the less of that things that we learned about, such as saturated and trans fats and added sugars and sodium. So I can find all that stuff on the nutrition label. And then I can also find the price, which is the last thing I need. So I have $5. I could choose to get one for $2.99 and still get something else, or I could get two of these for $4. So that's up to you what you want to do. So I decided I'm just going to get one. So the first thing I want to do is get a picture. So I'm going to right click. Oops, that didn't work. Okay, I might have to screenshot the picture. So I'm going to screenshot it. And you guys can screenshot on your Chromebooks as well. So I'm going to screenshot the picture, click capture so that I have it for my slideshow. And then I'm going to look at the price. It's $2.99. And then I'm ready to go back to my slideshow and add this information in. So I'm back in my slideshow, and again, I'm on slide 3. You have $5 to make a healthy snack. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is put in my picture. So I took my screenshot of my item. I'm going to make it fit. Okay, so that's that item. And so far, my cost is $2.99. So when I add more items, I'm going to need to add it up, of course, but right now I'm at $2.99. And let's see, why did I pick these items? So on the trail mix, I noticed that it had a lot of protein. And I remember from my more of this and from my plate picture that I need a lot of protein in my diet, that should be a big chunk of my meals. So I think a healthy snack would include some protein. So I'm going to say the trail mix has a lot of protein, and that's why I picked that one. Okay, so to finish this slide, you're just going to do the exact same thing. You still have about $2 left, so maybe you would pick out a drink to go with this trail mix, or maybe you would pick out something else to go with this trail mix, but you would do the exact same thing. You would add a picture to the slide, and then you would total up the cost, and then you would write why you picked that item. Okay? To finish it up, you're just going to go to slide 4 and do the exact same thing. So for slide 4, you have more money, you have $10, and your goal is to make not just an after-school snack, but a completely balanced meal to really fill yourself up and get as much nutrition as you can with $10 at Walgreens. So you're just going to do the exact same thing. Go back to the grocery website, pick out the items that you want, add a picture, total up the cost, and tell me why you picked those items. Okay? Then, if we go back to the directions and double check ourselves, so we did this, we used the website to pick what we would buy. We did this, added pictures and filled in the total cost and explained why. The last step is when you're finished, you can decorate your slideshow. So at the end, you can decorate the slideshow however you like. You can do things like change the fonts, okay? You can change the colors of the fonts. You can change the background of your slide. You can change the theme of your slide, whatever you want to do to decorate this project. And that is how you complete the food choices